Welcome to our iPevo document camera training video. Every classroom in Lake County is now equipped with a Samsung or Promethean display, and soon a wireless document camera as well. We made this investment because we are committed to bringing you and your students the very best tools to support teaching and learning. The Samsung Promethean display and iPevo doc-cam are designed to work hand in hand, making it easier to engage students and bring our district framework to life in your classroom.
The iPevo VZX is the first Wi-Fi-enabled document camera here in Lake County. In the box, you'll find two items, the USB to USB-C charging and connection cable, and the iPevo VZX document camera. The iPevo is very user-friendly, with action buttons running down the center and labels on both sides. No matter where you're standing, you can easily see which button you need. Starting at the top, the buttons are Light, Filter, Rotate, Zoom In, Zoom Out, Exposure, Focus, and Power. As you can see, each button is labeled on both sides of the camera for easy viewing. Let's pause on the power button. It's a little different. Flip it down to power on, and flip it up to power off. On the back of the camera, you'll find the Wi-Fi/USB/HDMI switch, the USB-C power port, and the HDMI output. On the base, you'll see the battery indicator, 5 small LEDs that light up to show the battery level when pressed. The battery lasts up to 8 hours. You'll also find the camera button, which lets you snap pictures right from your classroom. The first step to connect your doc cam to the display Chromebox is to power on the iPevo camera. You'll see a green light when it's on. Next, I'm going to establish the Wi-Fi connection by switching from the MyBook network to the document camera. To do that, go to the time capsule, click on Wi-Fi, and when the list appears, locate your camera. If you see a few options, just check the bottom of your camera to confirm the right one. The camera's name is printed on the bottom of the device. Once you know it, you can easily find and select it from the list of Wi-Fi options. Now that I know which one is mine, I'll click it to connect to the iPevo camera. It will say connected, no internet, but that's okay, it means the camera is connected. The last step is to open the Visualizer app from your app shelf. I'm using a Chromebook for this demo, but it will look the same on your display. Notice the white light, that means you're projecting. Done with your doc cam? The easiest way to get everything back to normal is to simply power off the camera. You can see my Chromebook has switched back to MyBook once the camera powered off.
Thanks for watching and for being part of our display trainings. Every classroom in Lake County now has a Samsung or Promethean display, and soon a wireless doc-cam too. We've made this investment to give you the best tools for teaching and learning. Together, the Promethean display and WonderCam make it easy to engage students and bring lessons to life. Looking for more resources? Check out the Google Classroom for the camera and display. Contact Jane Chapuis if you need the link. And if you need extra help, just submit a work order in Incident IQ. We're excited to see how you'll use these tools with your students.